silapha e-CPUT Durban Chilo for open day. So I'm with one of the learners ezilapha e-CPUT for bazizojonga izivuna i-course abanomdla for uzenza. So kuya nabo ngoku quickly. Firstly, bengicela amagama wenu ngobani? Nisokusiphi isikolo?
We are from Masmele High School.
From Masmele School. Okay. So, can you please tell me about your experience namhlanje? Meaning, ngeyiphi subject enizenzayo and ngeziphi i-course esiba nizawuzenza for next year eninomdla kuzo?
Okay. First of all,
So ngeyiphi le course ufuna uyenza? HR ne? Okay, cool. Enkosi kakhulu. So ndidini economics, right?
yes.
So a very quick question. Kuba nditshalo economics, nanenza economics. Very quick question. Xa ndicele yintoni i-GDP? Yintoni i-GDP?
Gross domestic product, which is the total value of goods calculated within the borders of the country in a period of a year.
That's correct. Enkosi kakhulu.
Some of total
Thank you very much. All the best in your future, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This one is on Spotify.